Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids class name: red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color the alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use yellow color the alphabets of B. It's neither C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use blue color. Blue color. It's neither D. D for dog, D for doll, and use black color. Black color. The alphabets of D. It's neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use green color. Green color. Kids neither numbers and first either 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color. O-N-E-1. It's neither 2, the numbers of 2, and use yellow color. T-W-O-2. It's neither 3, the numbers of 3, and use blue color. Blue color. T-H-R-W-3. It's neither 4, the numbers of 4, and use black color. F-O-U-R 4. It's neither 5, the numbers of 5, and use green color. Green color. F-I-V-E 5. It's neither shapes and first either square, the shape of square, and use red color. Red color. It's neither circle, the shape of circle, and use yellow color. Yellow color. It's neither triangle, the shape of triangle, and use blue color. Blue color. It's neither heart, the shape of heart, and use black color. Black color. It's last either Easter, the shape of Easter, and use green color. Green color. The shape of Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.